Hi, we're going to do a quick OC tutorial. First, we go to Resolume. In Resolume, we open Preferences and then we go to the OSC tab. We enable the OSC communication in and out. For the IPs, we're going to leave at localhost. We do the same in OC. In OC, we're going to use the same ports and localhost. Then, in OC, we're going to set up the OSC addresses we're going to use. There we add the addresses we're going to record, for example columns, clips, or master opacity. Then in OC we add tracks. The tracks are the main core of OC. In a track we can record the movements we do on Resolume. We may load an audio file or record comments on a timeline. Connect the track with the lightning bolt, hit play, and all the jam we do in Resolume is going to be recorded. If you want, you can edit your comments, your timestamps, or your values. Then go to live mode, hit play, and enjoy your show.